In front of me is OnePlus Nord 4, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by launching any app to use in this view and accessing it in the background. Then tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select floating window. Then tap on this tiny one. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To turn it into a bubble, click on Home button and drag your tiny screen to the side of your device. Then to access it, just tap on the bubble and click on Tiny Window. Now to close your window, you can simply close it in the background. You can make your app into full screen view by clicking on the top left corner, or close it completely by tapping on top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!